Welcome back. The question is, a police van moving on a highway with a speed of 30 km per hour fires a bullet at a thief's car speeding away in the same direction with a speed of 192 km per hour. If the muzzle speed of the bullet is 150 meter per second, with what speed does the bullet hit the thief's car? Let us go through the solution now. Muzzle speed of the bullet is 150 meter per second, which is denoted by VB, and which is converted to kilometer per hour, and in kilometer per hour it is 540. Speed of the police van denoted by VV is equal to 30 km per hour. The resultant speed of the bullet is V equals 540 plus 30 equals 570 km per hour. Speed of the thief's car Vt is 192 km per hour. So the speed with which the bullet hits the thief's car V minus Vt equals 570 minus 192, which equals 378 km per hour, and which is converted to meter per second, and in meter per second it is 105. So here we have applied the concept of relative speed. Hope it's clear to you. See you in the next one.